Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to take a look at the price of gold. We were monitoring the price of gold in the Forex market outlook, and we spoke about the potential for the market to move lower depending on the result of the election. Now, obviously, the results are still coming through. At the moment, Biden is leading. However, there are a few states where Trump could come through on. So it's a very, very tight race. We also spoke about the Australian dollar yesterday and about the fact that the market was almost pricing in that Biden victory. We've seen that reverse a little bit as the sort of election race is a little bit tighter than anticipated. Unfortunately for us, there's going to be no sort of outcome in this video. Unfortunately, we're going to have to be a little bit patient and wait for some further moves, but essentially just updating you on what's going on with gold at the moment. Prices just fluctuating between sort of 1916 all the way down into sort of the 1872s. So at the moment, price still fluctuating around. This was an area we were looking for short opportunities to come into play, just because if we were looking at it from a technical point of view, the market has broken down into new lows. It's pulled back in, retesting this area of structure, and price looks to be finding a little bit of resistance. Now, I think if the US dollar does start to gain some value, which I would expect to see if Trump came into power or continued or re-elected as the US president, then I'm expecting the market to sell off here on gold in the short term. And we're still looking for that seasonality play as well, with price potentially coming into some supporting areas. So there's a large weekly level sort of around about this 18 or should I say 17 sort of 50 area, 1760, which I like the look of, but also price is kind of hanging around this area where we're supported around about 1850. So we need to see some kind of breakout. If we were going to see that downside come into play, I'd expect to see this key supporting zone taken out, and if that's taken out, then there might be a possibility of shorting down into this weekly level, which we spoke about in the Forex market outlook. And then, you know, typically we see on a post-election year the dollar sell off, and we could look for some long opportunities in gold back down at these levels. So be interesting to see how the rest of the election plays out. But right now we are no further in knowing what's really going on at the moment. Biden in the lead, but Trump could start to pull that back slightly. So a little bit of indecision in the markets. So we need to see some confirmation and wait for that to happen. But if you have any questions or anything like that about the election, let me know in the comment section below. We'll be looking for a little bit of dollar strength to come into play, depending on sort of who wins the election, but looking for gold to just dip a little bit further, potentially into these lows. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon.